Nathan, do you wanna eat pizza?
You're welcome.
Nathan, you wanna eat pizza? Wanna open your pizza? Okay, let's open the pizza. Yes, you wanna eat pizza? No,
That's
Pat.
not a pasta.
This is a pizza. Pizza. Ano ba yan?
Surprise daw po.
Surprise! Nathan wants to eat pizza? Yeah. You wanna eat pizza? That's a sauce. Hot sauce. Ay. No, this is not a stickers. Yan yung pizza. What's this? What's the flavor? Let's open it. Oh! What happened?
Bakit ka pumala?
Oh, what happened? Ano nangyari?
Kaya lang po order ni David.
Ano nangyari dyan?
You open another.
Bakit kalahati lang?
You open another. You open another.
Ay, another half!
Half na.
Siguro wala siguro silang malaking lagayan. Okay, kalahati, gulat ako.
Bali, duhalay niya nga plate.
2 flavors. Hawaiian and, ano yung tawag? Meaty.
That's it now.
You wanna eat pizza, Nathan? This is Hawaiian flavor. Come on, let's eat. Yan, yung food namin.
My cars.
Let's eat na. Come on, let's eat. Dalawa naman.
Oh, init ang
Zero yun.
zero. Ay, talaga. Ayan, nagbata.
May klaro.
Nathan, you transfer. There. So that
Kawawa naman.
Babysit?
Oh, you will transfer there.
Okay, change to Avenger. Change to Avenger.
Pizza! Greenwich pizza. Greenwich pizza. I'm choking.
Ano mo?
Ano?
Avenger ka kita?
Ano?
Magkikita na kita Avenger ha? Oo.
Wait lang. Wala kang pwede ni Nathan.
Colors, nawaray. Nakita niya, takpan na wakan. Alam niya kung nag-ano. Hindi na yung loko ko. Nag-erase pa ako.
Nagtataka kami bakit kalahati. Akala namin kinainan mo na.
Huh? Kung hindi daw kasi kaya palang tagal-tagal nila. Ayun, nabuta na lang ako ng ano. What that?
Avengers. Terminators. You wanna eat pizza? Wanna eat pizza here?
Nabuta sila ng box.
Kaya, it's good.
It's not,
Kaya it's not good daw kuno. Kaya it's not good. It's yummy. Just try.
Ito, 2015.
It's yummy.
Ito yung kahapon, 2012.
Kana.
2019.
It's yummy. Let's try.
Age of Ultron muna tayo.
Ayaw.
Na? May gulay pa pala?
Diyan, nagluto-luto kayong guti, tapos ankan muna yung kaluto na naging baw-baw liwat.
Person, ano tayo? Bili ka ng ano, laman loob ng baka? Ha? Laman loob ng baka, ha?
Bakit? Di ba bawal ka nun? May gout ka?
Kung madami.
Ano lang?
Uy! Tutusin! Ha? Hindi. Lagay pa pulutan. Bibisit! Tutusin! Bibisit! go down, you go down. Umalo na. Ano dito pwede ate?
Pizza. I'll eat pizza. Yummy. It's yummy. Ganon din. Avenger.
Kahit na main.
Oh, bye-bye.
Toto sweet baby.
Kain muna guys. Kain muna kami. Yan. Pizza yung pagkain namin at saka Chowking.
Tignan mo yung
Bye-bye.
motor niya, no?